freaking heading out to work. Let's see what the day brings us. I'm freaking tired. For some reason my stomach hasn't been feeling too good in the morning, so let's see. Let's see if it gets better throughout the days. So we'll find out. Find out. I don't know what that noise was. So off to work I go. This stupid truck in front of me, slowing down. Well, I just got here to work, so let's see what it brings us right now. So let's see what happens. Damn, freaking tired. It's freaking hot in this car. Like no tomorrow, man. My car's reading 99 degrees. It's freaking crazy, man. It's that hot in here. Man, it's hot. I gotta run to San Diego. Get home, run to San Diego, everything else. Let's see what happens tonight. Damn. Freaking tired. Exhausted. Long freaking day. Let's see what my woman's up to. Let's see what she is up to. Oh my god, she's just sitting on the couch. I bet you she hasn't done nothing all day.
Yes, I did. Look how shiny it is. I just did.
She just did. Did you cook?
Nope. No, I didn't.
The freaking foot thing. You moved it.
No. Where is it?
You freaking did move it.
No, I didn't.
You kicked it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I had it right here. I was like, freaking son of a gun. Sitting on the couch, doing nothing. And now when I get home. When I get home! Heading out to SD. Look at her. She would open up a laptop. Open up a laptop and go reset a phone. So, see how it goes all the way to San Diego. Yeah. So we have special guests in the house. Okay, so today we have special guests in the house. Everybody, right, baby? Special guest. And look at little baby in the house. Look,
my
look
daughter.
there she is. Look, there he is. Just a new guy. His name is. That guy's name is, I don't know, I guess. And then we have a special guest in the house, which is a cook. Special cook right there. Chef. She calls herself Chef Ali. Or Ali, however she wants to be called.
Ali.
She's cooking. We don't know yet, and she says it's a surprise. As long as she's not using mushrooms and...
No mushrooms.
As long as she's not using mushrooms and broccoli, I'll eat.
We're good.
Yeah.
Earlier, man, it was freaking amazing food. It was really, really freaking good. Shrimp, chicken shrimp Alfredo. It was really freaking good, man. So, let's see how in the morning, how tomorrow goes. Yeah, I'm really exhausted, so I'm gonna head to bed. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, anything else I got. So see y'all next time.